Completely, job prospects is not dependent on which university you do. It could be like a more stereotypical perception that the bigger the university, the better your chances are.
So you have other universities like TU Berlin, TU Munich, which are more reputed and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But living in a smaller city, the obvious advantages ki
How it was living there. आप लोग
it comes with its own challenges. So there are certain advantages and disadvantages.
Right.
So
experience was good. Staying there 5 years.
yeah, the experience is good. I mean, वो भी एक personal preference है. वहाँ पे थोड़ा जर्मन ज़्यादा आपको बोलना पड़ता है.
Welcome back to Mumbai Car in Germany. मेरा नाम है श्रद्धा and I make videos about studies, work, job, basically everything about Germany. So अगर आप लोगों ने अब तक subscribe नहीं किया होगा guys, तो do subscribe. So guys, here are my friends.
Hi.
So
Hi.
first of all, welcome.
Thanks.
Can you please introduce?
Yeah, sure. Hi, my name is Anshul. Born and brought up in Pune. I came here in Germany back in 2018. I did my bachelor's in computer science. Then subsequently, the natural course of process. Did my master's in computer science from the University of Paderborn. And now I am working as an AI engineer in Hamburg.
Hello, my name is Ayush. I'm from Pune as well. I did my bachelor's in computer science and then did my master's in computer science as well from University of Paderborn. Now I'm working as a software developer.
You know what, how it is, just one question, because बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि big universities में, reputed universities में होना is good, then you get, more advantages here. Is it like same here in Germany या कैसे था?
I mean, everything, it could be like a more stereotypical perception that, the bigger the university, the better your chances are.
Okay.
Of course, with bigger universities, like, in bigger cities essentially, your opportunities do widen up. You have quite a few of opportunities where you can explore, you can go into.
Yeah.
But again, the downside is the bigger the university, the more number of people there are, and the more number of competition there will be. So you also need to balance whether which university you want to go to, and most important is to look out what your preference is. If a smaller university is giving you what you want to study, then you should focus on that rather than going for a bigger university just because of its name, which is not offering the subjects that you want, that are of interest to you.
But for job prospects and all, it doesn't matter, right? Which industry, which university you're doing.
No, I mean completely, job prospects is not dependent on which university you do. A little bit it is dependent on, let's say, grade, because it essentially tells you, okay, how well have you performed. But more important, it is how well your analytical and logical skills are. Essentially in the interview, they won't ask you why did you select this university. They will ask you the questions regarding the job.
Indeed.
So yeah, that is more important.
That's nice. And one more question about this city and about this university. Like smaller city में ये advantages होगा आप लोगों को कि rent and all कम होगा, expenses कम था. How it was living there? आप लोगों ने कितने साल रहे वहाँ पे?
I mean, we were in Paderborn for 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, 2018 to 2023. So
Oh man, that's a long time.
Yeah, we moved
I
to
mean, it
Hamburg.
comes with its own challenges. So there are certain advantages and disadvantages.
Right.
So living in a smaller city, the obvious advantages कि आपका rent कम होता है, so your monthly expenses are low. But then it comes with a lot of challenges. One, you have very limited opportunities. Second is because it's a smaller city, close-knit community रहती है, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा German ज़्यादा आपको बोलना पड़ता है, which means people expect more German from you. Bigger cities का obviously there's another कि metropolitan crowd रहता है, बहुत ज़्यादा you get opportunities. Even for, let's say, for jobs, there are quite good opportunities. Second, to meet new people. छोटी cities होती हैं जहाँ पे for us especially Indian community काफ़ी छोटी होती है. And when you come to a city like Hamburg, Berlin, Munich, वहाँ पे Indian community बड़ी रहती है. तो वो एक obvious advantage है. But yeah, I mean, then it comes with added expenses and all. So as far as my experience goes, going from a smaller city to a bigger city, your expenses double or 2.5x हो जाता है. Yeah.
But the experience was good. Staying there 5 years.
Yeah, the experience is good. I mean, वो भी एक personal preference है. A lot of people do not like to, stay far away from hustle bustle.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it's very personal. It's very something like people, if for someone like me, जिसको थोड़ी सी शांत पसंद है, तो you can survive, I would say.
Indeed. Everything has its pros and cons.
Yeah, everything has its pros and cons. You need to balance and you need to know what you want from that particular city, you know.
Yeah. So thank you so much guys for this. So the next question मेरा आप लोगों के लिए ये होगा कि आपने मास्टर्स के लिए पैडागॉन ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी है ये क्यों चूज किया?
So I applied about for 10 universities.
Yeah.
उसमें से मुझे I think so 5 या 6 universities का acceptance आया था. One of the things was obviously to go to Parabon was because of its, again I also wanted to do in artificial intelligence.
Okay.
So when you go to the Parabon University's website, वहाँ पे आपको पूरा course material दिखता है. So you get to know कि आप कौन से subjects पढ़ोगे.
Okay.
So looking at that, that was an interesting thing. For me, it was in my top 3. So you have other universities like TU Berlin, TU Munich, which are more reputed and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But specifically, if you look at Parabon, it was known for the AI course that it was offering. So yeah, that is how we came to a conclusion. Like we want to go to this university, and naturally, then when we got admitted, then the visa process we went through that and everything. Then from there on started.
Okay.
It's more a research based university.
Okay.
So generally what happens is people who want to further pursue their PhD or go into the research field, they generally go for this university.
Okay.
But our focus was essentially we wanted to work mainly in the data and artificial intelligence field.
Yeah.
And because the course of this field, the subjects that it offered was very good, that is why we went for this university.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
how is it like? कौन सी city nearby है? To
I
this
mean,
university?
you can go to Dusseldorf 2.5 hours. You have Dortmund, which is 1.5 hours.
Okay.
You have Hamm, which is like 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, quite a good amount of cities that you can go to essentially.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस. और स्ट्रॉबेरी खाते खाते हुए हम लोगों ने ये इंटरेस्टिंग और सुपर इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो अभी एंड करेंगे हम लोग, बिकॉज इन दोनों ने बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. सो गाइज रियली थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
फॉर
you.
शेयरिंग इन डिटेल अबाउट नॉट ओनली अबाउट योर यूनिवर्सिटी, अबाउट द कोर्सेज, अबाउट जॉब. आपका एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों ने शेयर किया. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Most welcome.
So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Mumbai Car in Germany. Till that time, bye.
Bye. Bye guys.